Hello everyone, I am Komal Mehta, teaching as an assistant professor in computer science department at St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon. Today in the series of HTML course, we will cover about HTML list and the various types of a list in an HTML tags. So let's start with the HTML list. List is basically the description of a records, we can say. So records of a short pieces of information is called as a list. It can be done in unordered format or as well as ordered format. So there are two types of a list. First is a ordered, next is a unordered list. Let's discuss with unordered list first. That tag, the tag which was used for unordered list is the ul tag. Ul means unordered list tag. So in each list item that was started with the li tag containing the list item, that will marked with the bullets by default, or we can say the disk, because whenever we want to mention any symbol in unordered or in ordered one, then we have to mention the type. But if we will not mentioning any type, then the default fetching will be done. So the default unordered list will be done with the help of bullets, or we can say the disk one. So that will be mentioned with the help of li list. This is the basic syntax for unordered list. First is a ul tag, ul for unordered list. Next, the list of items will be mentioned. Here li for list of items. First one is coffee, next is a tea, next is a milk. So these all three are the options. That means the list items that containing the three options in unordered list. So each option is mentioned within the li tag. Li tag started, then the content is mentioned. After that content, the li tag is closed over here. So li is closed after the coffee tag. Here you can see in this, li tag started, then content is mentioned, and once the content will be done, the closing of li tag will be done. The number of items or number of options we will say in the li items will be mentioned in the ul tag. Once the ul tag containing all the list item will be done, the ul tag will be closed also. So the basic attributes by default, though, that will marked as a disk. So that will be mentioning. But otherwise scenarios, there are some other values we can also mention, that is disk, circle, square, and none. In disk, set list item marked with a bullet one. In circle, set list item marked with a circle. In square, set list item marked with a square. And none scenario containing list item will not marked by anyone. So whenever we will mention any of that input, then that will mentioning with the help of these symbol. And if we will not mention anything, then by default type will be fetched, that is disk one. But if you mention none, that means no item will mark with anything, so that will not mark even. Here this is the example of a type we will mention: ul tag containing style tag, and that style tag contain the information list style type is equal to disk. So the type of a disk is the type of a list is a disk one. So that will mention with the help of bullets, and the list that style will be contained in a style tag over here. Next is a ordered HTML list. In ordered HTML list, the tag is used ol tag. But in unordered one, the tag is ul1. So it will start with the ol tag. Each list item start with the li tag. Li tag mentioning again the list of item that will mentioning in the ordered list. By default, the list is marked by the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering will be assigning over here. So these are the some types that was mentioned in the attributes value of a type. By default, it will take number, otherwise scenario it will take some different type that will mention over here. So if type is equal to 1, the value is also mentioned in inverted comma. So type is equal to 1, then that will be mentioning in a number with the sequence number. When type is mentioning with caps of a, then the uppercase list item will be done, uppercase letter items will be mentioned. And when type is small of a, means lowercase letters, then the all the numbering will be done in a lowercase manner. If the type is equal to roman 1, then that will representing the uppercase Roman number in all the sequence of the items. When type is equal to I lowercase Roman, so that will be mentioning the lowercase Roman number. So how can I mention anything the type about that? Here it is mentioning OL tag containing type. Here the spell is mistake. TYP is must be mentioned over here. Type is equal to 1 inverted comma. That means all the list item that was mentioning in the li tag will containing 1 2 3 sequence. And if I am not mentioning this one, then by default it also take 1 2 3 4. But if I am mentioning over here is caps of A, then caps of A means the uppercase letters. So coffee will be the caps of A, tea will be B, and milk will be C within with the uppercase letters. So that was mentioned in the type tag, and the type tag is containing in the OL initial steps. Once all the list item will be done, OL tag will be closed over here. Next is a HTML description list. Sometimes we have to describe the list, what actually it means and what actually it want to do. So that was mentioned in the description list. So that description list is a list of terms with description of the each term. Here DL, DD, and DT are three tags. DL means defining the description list. DT means defining the term or a name that was mentioned, and DD means describing each individual term. We can say the definition of the describing term, description term. So let's do it with example also. Firstly, DL, it means list will be started over here, describing the list and that containing some terms. DT means coffee. Coffee means the term that was mentioned in DT tag. And whenever I am defining about that particular term, then we will use the DD tag, definition of that particular term that was mentioned above. So coffee will be mentioned with the help of description that black hot drink is called as a coffee. So the description of a coffee is mentioning in the DD tag. Again one example. Now again a new term will be here, that is milk. So the term is mentioning in the DT tag. And once the term will be closed, the description of will be done in a DD tag, definition tag. White cold drink is called as a milk. So that was closed by the DD tag. And once the all process will be done, that means all the terms with their description will be done, then DL tag will be closed. That means list description will be done over here. So this is the basic concept or a basic syntax we can say about the description list. It can also be possible to create a nested HTML list. That means we can also create ordered list, unordered list inside the another, or unordered in unordered and ordered in ordered as well. So that can also possible to create a nested list, that means one inside the another. So let's take example over here. Firstly, UL tag will be here. UL tag means unordered list. That unordered list contain the information or a option that is called a coffee, tea, and the coffee contain only the term. So that was mentioned with the li tag, list item tag, and list item tag is closed. When the li tag will again start with the T, then the description of T tag will be done with the again unordered list, because it contains two options, that black tea or green tea. The simplest example is I'm asking to some guests that whether you want tea or a coffee. So if they choose tea, then again I'm asking black tea or a green tea. So this is the scenario that there are two options initially, coffee and tea. And if tea is selected, then there are two more hierarchy, that is black tea or a green tea. So the tea containing two hierarchy, that means the unordered list in the tea tag will be mentioned. So the unordered list in T tag is this one. And then again two options are there, that are black tea and the green tea. The list containing these options, once this will be done, the unordered tag of the T tag will be done. And when the unordered of this one done, then li of the T tag will be closed over here. When the complete list description is done, then the main UL tag is closed over here after the complete description. So this is all about the HTML list. That means we have to know about the ordered list, unordered list. What do you mean by basically a list? What are the syntax of ordered and unordered? uh, how can we create a list that containing some different types, because there are some different types of values, that is one, caps of a, small of a, roman number, disk, square. So it depends on ordered or unordered one, that we want to choose which one. And if we will use nothing, then the by default fetching will be done over here. And what do you mean by description list? Description list containing the information about the list, DT tag and DD tag describing the term and the definition of that. And what do you mean by nested list? Nested list also containing the description as well as the unordered ordered one. So this is all about HTML list. Thank you.